Hi, this is Erick Becker from the law firm of Cummins White, and this is the Employer Minute. This is a special update for Orange County employers wondering when can we reopen under the governor's orders and the County of Orange's orders. If you have a manufacturing or office business, the governor has not specifically made an order allowing you to reopen yet. We're expecting that order to come about next week, starting approximately May 11th. But in the interim, you need to understand what steps you should take to prepare yourself for reopening. The Orange County order, which authorizes businesses to operate once the state gives the go-ahead, requires you as an employer to do a couple of things. Number one, you need to make sure that you are properly communicating to your employees the importance of hand washing. Number two, you need to have some mechanism to check employee temperatures as they are coming to work so that you can send employees home if they are exhibiting a temperature that might indicate that they are COVID positive. Number three, you need to require social distancing in the workplace, making sure to the extent possible that employees are able to work at least 6 feet apart. And number four, you need to provide masks and other PPE to employees so that they can properly protect themselves and others from exposure to COVID. The governor, in addition, has made a requirement that you have a written protocol and policy and procedure for dealing with COVID and preventing exposure in the workplace, as well as training your employees on how to recognize the symptoms of COVID and enforcing the rule that employees should not come to work if they're having those symptoms. There are a lot of things that you need to be prepared for, but most importantly, you need to have something in writing that lays out your protocol to protect your workplace from COVID before you reopen. This is Erick Becker from Cummins White, and this has been the Employer Minute.